because she did not see him again since that 7 years. She didn't see him until she saw him in a movie that we did together with one mama like that 2 years ago. She saw me in that movie and him. She started doing some, even her brothers, they're asking her what happened. She couldn't say it until she told us. So they now put the CCTV. He came in. As he came in, he saw that there was nobody at home. I told him that I want to see those people. He asked me, who are these people? I said, they are DSTV people. I want to see them off. That when I go now, I will stay long. He should relax. He said, okay. I dropped my phone. I said, my phone is here. Then I went out. We locked the door. 2 seconds, he stood up. Begin to check my whole house. He checked every room to make sure none of the children are sleeping. Kema wo bí èèyàn ṣe burú. Ó wo gbogbo inú ilé pé ó fẹ́ wá sure so that he will be sure that none of the children is inside sleeping. He checked the whole house for camera. He checked the whole house. Then he started. I can't even begin to relay the things that he did. Arami Uba, I was shaking because we're monitoring it on the phone. But at the point when she stood up to go to the kitchen, and we know that there is no camera in the kitchen. The people came in. They called police. Police came immediately. They picked him. I asked him, Larry, kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Torí o mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó dẹ̀ wá kó àwọn ọmọ yìí sí mi lọ́dọ̀ kí màmá máa ronú. Kò dẹ̀ ṣerú kó báyìí fún mi. Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? He said it's the devil. That me, I'm his benefactor, but the devil he was just talking rubbish. So I asked him what happened 7 years ago. He told me he was just begging me. They took him away. Every day, we go to the police station from morning till night. Mama will be machine feel. Some of you are now saying you post the video of the child that was being molested. Kill it again. What do you want to get? Even if you hate me, even if you don't like me as a person, how can you? Báwo ni ẹ ṣe sùn torí mo lè sùn mi gẹ́tà mi mọ́ mi gẹ́tà. Báwo lẹ ṣe sùn? Báwo lẹ ṣe sùn? Some people were even calling me, trying to threaten me. Why? Ọmọ ni ní Olúwa, ọmọ inú dẹ̀ ní èrè rẹ̀. Bí ọ̀fà tí lọ́wọ́ alágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́mọdé rí. Children are the heritage of God. Nobody is allowed to molest them. It's not fair. Please. Mo fi Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀ yín. Even if you don't like me, please stop it. Stop saying all the rubbish casting. The police have started their investigation. He confessed 4 different times. Kilefe, why do you want to see a child? Why do you need to see a child being molested? Why? Why? Irú ayé wo la gbé? Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Ẹ wo mi, mo ní kọ̀kọ̀. Mi ò ní kọ̀kọ̀ ju àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ. Ibo ni mo fẹ́ gbé tèmi bàbá ẹ̀? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please, ó ti tó. Ẹ fi mí lẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. If you believe that I'm lying, why don't you wish it on your children or go and see him and ask him? Why would I want to set somebody up? Somebody that I'm the one helping him. Why? báyìí ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ́ máa bí pé I'm not okay o. But let me tell you, especially those people who is plotting with, who are trying to see if they can model everything. Even if I die today, orí mi á bí ẹ́ láre, orí mi á bí ẹ́, orí tí mo ṣe fún ẹ á bí ẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá mi á bí ẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá ọmọ mi á bí ẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá ń sọ oríṣiríṣi, mi tẹ́ mọ̀ kó tí mo lè sọ sọ́rọ̀ yìí. Ṣó tọ́ sí yín? Look at somebody who call herself a rape survivor going online to say that he wants CCTV of a child being molested. When you said you were raped, when you came out, did we ask for CCTV before empathizing with? Please, enjoy. I'm not okay. Please, stop spreading emotion. No. Please, put your number. Even if you hate me, I'm begging you, please, for the sake of God and all these children. How do you want their parents to feel? Wọ́n fún mi láwọn ọmọ ìkọ́lé tù mí nínú. Gbogbo èèyàn ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ, kó ṣe nǹkan tìjú. This is the way God wants. Why are you being insensitive? What will I gain? Somebody that have been helping for years. What will I gain? Go to me.